Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unbagging our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. For those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I'll put all things IPSY down below so we can jump right in and see what's in this month's bag. Okay, now this is what this month's bag looks like. Not bad. Not bad. It looks very spring-like. Okay, so as you know, IPSY does not put a description card in anymore. Instead, they give us, I guess, it's a informational PSA. Okay, and this one says this month's theme is Force of Nature, and this is the April 2021 box. However, on the inside, it just gives us some information about some skin-friendly superfoods. Okay, so when we dig into the bag, the very first item that we pull is Pixie by Petra. Okay, and this one is the Flawless Beauty Primer, Hydrating Glow Primer, and it is 1 fluid ounce size. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, wow, I don't know if you can necessarily see through that, but these are no longer full packages, okay? But the website says a combo of vitamin A, C, and E in this primer improve the look of skin by smoothing rough texture and plumping fine lines to create the perfect canvas for long wearing makeup. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $22. Okay, then the next item, you know, I forgot to tell you something. The first two products that I pulled, these are the items that IPSY chose for me. Okay, now you know that the way it works, you choose 3 and they choose 2 for you. So the first 2 that I am showing you were those that were chosen for me by IPSY. Well, the second item, okay, I can already hear my husband right now. He told me I need to go to Brushaholics Anonymous. But it's okay, I don't mind. So this one is a 5-piece brush set, and this is an eye brush set. This is the 3rd one I've gotten in 2 months. Okay. Whew. And this is by the company Beau Grachis. Beau Grachis. Beau Grachis. This is by the company Beau Grachis, and it's the number 7 collection. Okay, and the website says consider this set the essential tools in your makeup bag. It includes an illuminator brush for highlighting and contouring, a crease brush for shading your lids, a concealer brush for spot treating, a double-ended brow brush for grooming, and a tapered blending brush for your eyes and face. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $30. Now, I am so here for brushes, and y'all know it, okay? So, that's what this one looks like, okay? Then, okay, now the first item that I chose is by Sela, and this is the Creme de la Creme of the very best cream, and this is a decadent body and hand cream. I love this stuff, okay? I am so here for it. I would show you the other one, but I used it all, okay? So when this came up again, I was happy to jump on it. The smell is amazing. I don't want to open it because I try to share when I have things that I really, really like. I try to share them with you. So let's see what the website has to say about this one. Okay, and this one says it's a 0.75 milliliter size, which is actually a 2.5 ounce tube, and it says every time you slather on this velvety cream, you'll treat your hands and body to intense moisture. Thank you, antioxidants, kombucha butter, and Abyssinian oil, plus a refreshing citrus scent. I'm telling y'all, I really, really enjoyed this. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $30, okay? So I'm always here for a really good hand cream, okay? The good part is this one is a hand and body cream. Okay, then the next item that I got is by the company Akar. Now, I was first introduced to this one through Allure, as a matter of fact, and it is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. I know that's a new word for me, right? I say that word a lot, but there are certain products that really are amazing. And this one is a lip restoration. And it's so good that it's like getting the best lip balm, and it does everything you need it to do, like moisturize, and then it gives you long-lasting moisture, okay? So let's just check out the website and see what it has to say. This creamy yet lightweight balm uses plant oils and beeswax to seal moisture into your lips for long-lasting hydration. I told you. And nourishment. Use it throughout the day or as an overnight treatment for the lips that feel soft and supple. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $30. I cannot imagine spending $30 for a lip balm. This is so good though, it's really worth it. So this is one of the reasons that I am extremely grateful for a subscription service. This right here, the price of this is more than the price of this particular month's, but well, it's more expensive than IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So that right there, I'm perfectly fine with, okay? Then the last item, but I'm going to say items, are by the company Thrive Causemetics. Now, they put it into a bag like this, okay? But it's actually 2 lip liners. Now, I love Thrive Causemetics because I like items and companies with a cause, and they truly have a cause behind it, and I like that. Now, it says this is a lip filler and liner. I received 2 shades, The first one is Devon, and that's this shade right here. And the second one is Glam, and that's this one right here. Okay, and the website says this multitasking pencil primes, lines, defines, and plumps. Oh Lord, y'all know how I feel about this plumping thing. Don't need it, but okay. All in one shot. This universally flattering black cherry and plum mauve shades look super pretty alone or when they're worn with your favorite matching lipstick, okay? Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for both is $40. Now, I know I didn't open anything else, but I am going to open this so I can show you what these shades look like. This one is Devon. Boy, that is really nice. Okay. And this one is Glam. You could almost wear them together. Okay. Now, I do want to encourage you to be on the lookout for our create and review, because to keep it from being too long, I go ahead and do a try on and, you know, create a look with all the items that we get in a separate video. So these are the items that are included in this month's IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Down below, you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that are enclosed. Now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up the items that were included in our April IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now, remember next month, it's Glam Bag X, okay? So, be ready for that one, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.